Hey everybody, it's Alnisa and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to talk about Club Cash Fund. Alright, so I have heard so much about this program and it's all been positive, like from everybody. I've heard nobody say anything bad about this program. So I'm going to give you some details on it, talk about the aspects of the program, what you get once you sign up, and how to do it like fast track, make sure that you can get in as soon as possible. Okay, so here in front of me I have my sales kit that I just requested through the page that you get. Like the page you see in front of you is the capture page you'll get once you sign up. Now this is what everybody sees when they're requesting their kits, and this is what you get in the mail. And your ID will be right at the top like mine is, so you know that this came from the company and that this belongs to me. That's my kit. Okay, alright, so I'm going to show you a little bit about what you get once you put the request in and it's mailed out from the owner of the company. Alright, so first thing is you get this colorful flyer. It's very pretty, a lot of details. So there's my name in there. Alright, after you receive the kit, you'll see your ID number, like there's mine. Okay, so this is all mine. You pay it's $100. It's a license fee, so you can use the images, the links, the traffic, the website, any of the marketing material, anything that's in the back office, you get with that membership fee. So this is explained throughout the 6-page flyer that you get. You get to see your your sponsor and everybody else who's on your team, who's above you. It's like only 5 positions though. And I'll explain later on how the membership is divided up. That'll be in the compensation plan. But for right now, so this is the flyer that you get. Now, if you want to do snail mail and you want to send it back that way, they give you a self-addressed stamped envelope, postage paid, and you'll get your ID number on the back, right? And then if you want to send cash or money order, they include this really, I like how they did this, where it's, you can't see through the envelope of what's in it. So you put your cash in here, your money order, and you can't see through the envelope. If that doesn't work for you, then you can just Cash App him the payment. The owner's name is John Stalvey. So you get with your sponsor and they'll send you your ID that you get so that you can get your payments. Once they send that to you, then you can just Cash App him the $100, which is a one-time fee. There are no monthly fees with this program. It's a one-time fee, and once you do that, then he'll get you in the system as soon as possible. So, alright, now back to the capture page. So this is what everybody gets in Club Cash Fund. And then we go here into the back office. Now this tells you about all the announcements, anything that's going on, inside of the program, any updates that have happened. A really big update is the payment days have changed from Wednesdays to Fridays. So now your payments will be sent out on Fridays. Okay, so these are your products that you get. Now you can upgrade to the pro training level if you want. You don't have to. And these 2 modules here are what you get with the $100 licensing fee. Now the website you get, the links are included here, and as you can see here, there's a homepage rotator which everybody's link is placed into once they join, And with that is you actually get free traffic, and then people can, you know, sign up on your capture page and request mailing kits without you having to do anything. All right, let's see. So for your leads, I don't have any leads yet. Nobody signed up yet. All right, your kits. So your starter kits will go here, and they let you know when they're about to be mailed out. And you can see who's in which position, you know, how many have been delivered, and then the money you've made. Let's see, for the marketing tab, you don't want to ignore this one. Okay, so you get email swipes, you get banners that you can promote, right? So here are the banners. And all you have to do is just put these on websites. You know, there's the code and there's the image, or you can just save the images and use them, you know, Facebook, Instagram, you know, whatever you want to do with that. But they give you all of this. You don't have to do anything. Like I said, it's a business in a box, like straight out the gate. They give you email swipes, so you just copy and paste the titles here, you know, the content here, add your stuff in, whatever you know want to do, change it up, delete, whatever. There you have it. And if you want to pay for traffic, you can, and there's also the option to upgrade. Now let's see, you got your team. So, you know, no team members yet. Let's see, for sales, no commissions yet. So that's where all that information would go. So here is where you can see information about people on your team or other people who are, you know, have gotten paid this week. It gives you a leaderboard, and you see who's doing what, you know, and how people are progressing in the program. And, you know, you have the all-time people, like down here. Like, look at that. Look at the referrals, right? This is crazy. I'm going to be on that leaderboard. Watch. But, yeah, so this is the back office. This is what you get. And let me see if I'm missing anything else here. But one thing I like about how they do this option in here where you can see where it says CCF Funnel 1, you can create new links. Like, say if you want to promote campaigns and you want to know exactly where traffic is coming from, you can create links. Oh, look at that, I already got 20 hits. Nice. I actually started promoting like as soon as I got the welcome email, because I was like, I am not going to waste any time with this one because it's way too easy, right? So I already got 20 hits on it. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's like it happens just that fast, you know. So it's actually a marketer's dream because, you know, you don't need any stamps with this program. You don't need any envelopes. You don't have to copy flyers and get them sent out. You don't need a list of names to mail stuff to. It's all given to you. So the only thing you have to do is like really like put your link out there or just send it to people. And the kits are free. All people do is put their information in. They request it, and then, you know, John sends out the kits to people, you know, and then the people, they go ahead and they sign up and they send their fee in. Like, it's just that easy. So in another video, I'll explain how the compensation plan works. But I hope that this has been, you know, enough detail for you, you know, to figure out like what you get once you join and how comprehensive all of this is. You know, I'm about to go through my products in a little bit, but you know, I hope this helps. So if you have any questions, you know, let me know in the comments section, and if not, I'll catch you in the next video. All right, bye.